guys, it's Beth. Welcome back to my channel. So this is their entrance and their menu. Over here, we can order different kinds of foods like this. So we ordered chicken and barbecue. So for today's video, we are here in EVO Adventure Cafe or camp, I mean. So you could see like a very nice view here. So it's really foggy. Over here, you can see the fog because it rained earlier. And then around me are different kinds of plants and their flowers. You can see like pine trees over there, like yellow flowers, like these flowers. So they're very yellow and green. So it's really good to the eyes. So it's really nice to be here in a foggy mountain or like a hilltop like this. So yeah, they have blue flowers, my favorite, maroon and red flowers over there. Yeah, they have different kinds of plants. And up there is like a tent or like a shade that you could stay at night with your family and friends. There is like a playground or something like that where you could enjoy during nighttime or daytime with your friends when you stay here. So let's go up again. And he is also busy recording his own vlog. You could also see swings, or you could use that while staying here. And then just look at the very scenic view of EVO Adventure Cafe, I mean camp. Okay, so yeah, those are the tents that you could stay overnight with your family, of course. And so now guys, it's raining, so we need to vlog fast over here. So it's also good if you like the rain and you're staying here, you could play under the rain. So yeah, that's it. While waiting for your food, you could play games like snake and ladder like this. It's really nice to come here after the rain because it's really foggy right after the rain. So there are a lot of riders who would like to visit this place right after the rain or any time of the day during your free time. And then just enjoying the weather and the very cold atmosphere here in Balamban or in the topmost part of Cebu. Okay, so we are now going to the very foggy road here in the mountain part of Busay. So it's still Busay, I guess. There's a big crowd here on weekends because a lot of people would flock here just to buy fruits and vegetables. So that's it guys for my vlog today. So don't forget to hit the like, the subscribe and the bell button so that you will be updated on my new video. Thank you. Have a good day.